And here we are at Gold Coast Auto Body, our certified Honda collision repair facility. Gold Coast Auto Body does a fantastic job of taking care of all of our Hondas in the Gold Coast area. And today we brought a vehicle and it's got a unique situation where the client has some paint chipping on both rear doors. And we're going to bring the vehicle in so we can get it looked at, also get an estimate, and we're probably going to leave the car here with Gold Coast to go ahead and fix it. So why don't you just join us right now. So here we are at Gold Coast Auto Body's waiting area. And one thing that I just wanted to say that I enjoy in doing business with them is that they are a family-owned business and they don't treat their clients like clients. Everyone who walks through the door gets treated like family. And it's my job as a service director at Honda of downtown Chicago to make sure that any stress you have with a collision or any repairs, it's my job to alleviate that stress. And part of my ability to do that is to offer you a great business that partners with us to make sure that your car is fixed right the first time, to make sure that it looks great like when it came from the factory, and that it runs properly each and every time. So I just want you to know that each and every time, if you have a situation that you're dealing with on your vehicle, or if you have a problem, it's no longer your problem. It becomes my problem. Gold Coast Auto Body. They can handle any type of repair and all that you would need on your vehicle as far as collision repairs. This situation that we're dealing with today is we have a client that has some paint chipping from their door jambs on the back end here on the brand new Honda Accord. So you notice that there's some chipping going on right here. So we brought it to our paint specialist here at Gold Coast Auto Body, and they're going to have to refinish it. They're going to have to paint it. We have to make sure it looks just like it did when it came back from the factory. Now, if you notice the vehicle's red, red color is a special color which will have to be blended a couple times to make sure that it matches perfectly. Gold Coast Auto Body does a fantastic job of matching that factory finish. And so not only is it on this side, but I want to show you also on the other side. Along this line here as well. So they're going to have to take care of both sides. And again, I'm fully confident that when the vehicle comes back, it's going to look like it did when it came from the factory. The client's going to be extremely happy. They're extremely professional. They have wonderful technicians that work here, great painters here. You get a lifetime guarantee, and there's nothing really that I can say that I would not trust with them. I trust them with all of my vehicles, my family vehicles, and everyone here at the dealership that's an employee, we trust them with our cars as well. So I want to just let you know that, a lot of times we talk about fixing the car mechanically. There's so many other different facets that we utilize in our business to make sure that your car's looking good and running good. One of the things is the body shop. So anytime you come to us and you need a good collision repair facility, I take that back. If you need a great collision repair facility, you want to bring it to Gold Coast Auto Body at 900 West Division. So that's my tech tip of the day. Once again, this is Joel Adames from Honda of downtown Chicago. And remember, if it's broken, we can fix it.